Hello students, now we are going to see the exercise number 1 in lesson number 7. Complicer les phrases, construisez les phrases avec les éléments donnés with the given element and utilisez by using le pronom relatif, by using a relative pronoun. See some example. One example. Les garçons prêtent leur argent. The boys to lose their money. So you have two elements there. One is les garçons. That is your subject. Then you have a patre. That is your verb. Verb is in original form. So you have two elements. And you must see the example. According to the example, you must write the exercise sentence. See the example, how they are written. Subject and verb is in the infinitive form. So, le garçon pâtre, to lose large argent. So, how they are constructed the sentence in relative pronoun. So here the relative pronouns they are using qui, Q-U-I, who. Okay. Ce sont les garçons qui ont perdu leur argent. They are the boys who have lost their money. Why they are using the expression ce sont? Why? Because the subject is in plural form. Ce sont les garçons. It's in the plural form. You have to use in ces garçons because it is in the plural form subject. But if the subject is in singular form, we will not using ce sont, but we will be using st apostrophe est. So that only we are going to using the following sentences. See, ce sont les garçons. What's the translation here? They are the boys. So you must stress. They are the boys who have lost their money. After stressing on the subject, you have to use relative pronoun QUI. And remember, after QI, you are always having a verb. Here the verb is perdre. This verb is conjugated in which tense? Analyze carefully. They are used auxiliary verb and then they are used a past participle of the main verb perdre. So this verb is conjugated in passé composé. That also you must, that perdre is not found in the domestic parentites. So you have to use avoir as the auxiliary verb and the verb has to be changed into passé composé. And subject, we are talking about the boys because they are plural group of boys. So third person masculine plural. So something is SILS. So something is in plural form. Our conjugation is ONT and past participle of pradre. The verb pradre is a infinitive form. So cut RE. Gender rule is cut RE. You remove RE and you have to add U at the end. Now you are getting a past participle word. Ce sont les garçons qui ont perdu leur argent. They are the boys who have lost their money. So I hope you understood. You are trying to emphasize the stress on the subject, and that's the reason you read the expression ce sont, and you must think subject is in the plural form. You are using ce sont. If it is a singular, you have to use C apostrophe est. After that, qui, QUI. After QUI, you have to use verb. It should always have a verb. And then This verb is also in passé composé because the prandr is not found in the domestic parastic. So it is not a movement verb. So we are using our verb. If it is a movement verb, we are using atra. Okay. So noun is in plural form. And then after ki, so our verb is re. Re have to remove and add u. Then it is the past participle. See, the same way we have to write the sentence. La fille dépensait 5 rupees. 5,000 rupees. So the girls who spent 5,000 rupees. So the subject is the girl. Is it singular? Okay. And we need to put the verb dépenser is in passé composé tense. Analyze the example, the same model we have to write now. See here, la fille is the subject is in singular form, but it is a feminine because the girl, that is she. So we have to use st apostrophe est. It is the girl, subject is in singular, so we are using say. St apostrophe esc. So girl, key. After key, you have to write in passé composé, and key is a relative pronoun. After the subject, we are using a relative pronoun qui. The same way we are did here. After dash, dépenser is in passé composé. The verb dépenser is not found in domestic form, but it is also is not a movable verb. So you have to use our verb. So who is having spend 5,000 rupees? The feel. So our conjugation of girl for al is al a. And depose is how to cut r er and e accent. Okay, cut ending is er verb, that is an infinitive verb, and you have to remove er and e acute. Finally, you are getting c'est la fille qui a déposé 5,000 rupees. It's the girl who has spent 5,000 rupees. Okay. So titles, we are using the elements in subject and verb, and we have to use a relative pronoun qui and see the example, the same order we have to construct the sentences. C'est la fille qui a dépensé 5,000 rupees. Is the girl who has spent 5,000 rupees. Number 2. Les femmes visitaient Taj Mahal 3 fois. The woman to visit Taj Mahal 3 times. So here, les femmes is in the plural form. So we have to use ce sont. Ce sont is the expression ce sont. La femme. Okay. Then we have to use a relative pronoun qui. After the relative pronoun, we have to put the verb visit. Visit is in passé composé. Visiter is have to use the avoir as auxiliary verb because visiter is not a movable wrist, and something is a plural form. So on. Third person plural, feminine plural, so I have to use al, E-L-L-E-S. Conjugation of our is ONT. And then how to get the past participle of visite? Go with the general rule, cut ER and E acute. Finally, you are getting ce sont les femmes qui ont visité le Taj Mahal 3 fois. The women who have visits the Taj Mahal 3 times. Third one. Manu Singh envoyé son message. Manu Singh to send 100 messages. Now Manu Singh is a subject. Envoyer is the verb. Is to need to put in passé composé. It is a single form, singular, masculine singular, So I have to use C apostrophe est expressions. Say Manu Singh. Ki is the relative pronoun. After the subject, you have to use a ki. Okay. Relative pronoun QUI. After relative pronoun, we need to put the verb is envoyer is in the infinitive form. So I have to change this in passé composé. It is not in the diacritic parastic list. So you have to use avoir as auxiliary verb, and so is in a singular form. Il a. A is the conjugations and cut er e acute is the end. Fourth one. La technique la prendre inventaire. See here, in the first three sentences, you have only two elements, the girl and to spend. The woman visited. I'm manusing envoyer to send. But here, the three sentences you are having subject and verb. But in the fourth sentence, you have direct object and then subject and then verb. Direct object, subject, and then verb. So blue color is a subject and red color is the verb and green color is the direct object noun. That is the first in the fourth sentence. So the technique, the painter to invent. See the sentence. So you have to give this message. Direct object you have to emphasize. La technique is the direct object and it is a singular form, so I have to using say. C apostrophe est and then la technique afterwards k, and relative pronouns is k, not QUI. After k we have to use a subject. So after ka you have to use a subject, after ki you have to use verb, but after ka we have to use the subject. That is a rule. So after the subject you have to write a verb. That verb should be conjugated in passé composé. Okay. So now the verb our birthday is not found in the domestic parastic list. So I have to use our as the auxiliary verb. So it is subject is in he. So our conjugation of il is il a. Il a avante. So remove er and e acute as well as and to see the past participles, and ending is e we added here because it is a feminine form. Easily you can identify it is a feminine form. When we use the our as the auxiliary verb, so we are not supposed to do any agreement at the end of the past participle. So no need to do any agreement. But there is a rule in French that if the relative pronoun is que, we have to verb which is conjugated in passé composé. So if the relative pronoun is que, after que we have to have a verb in passé composé. Please remember, even if the auxiliary verb is our, after que is in the passé composé, you need to do the agreement because before this que they have mentioned the direct object noun, and the direct object noun la technique is a feminine singular. So please remember, after que you have verb in passé composé, you remember you need to do the agreement. So end of the past participles you have to add according to the direct object. Before que is la technique is a feminine singular, so you have to add e at the end. Okay, so this you must remember that fourth sentence is very important. You should not follow the previous sentence what you did. So it is a totally different to that fourth sentence. So please remember, when you practice, you can easily identify the sentence, what type of sentence it is. Okay. So relative pronoun ka, if the verb is in passé composé and end of the past participle, you need to do the agreement. I hope you understand why we added e here. Okay. So before ka, the direct object now is feminine singular, so we need to add e at the end. So last sentence. La statue lastic crypte. The statue's artist to draw. So here, green color is the object and subject is in blue color and verb red color. Okay, check out. Faisant is in plural form. Statue is the plural form. Le. Okay, it is noun in plural form. And then QUE is a relative pronoun because we are not tracing the subject, we are tracing this direct object, K. After K, you have to write a subject. After the subject, you have to write the verb should be in passé composé. Cripste is not found in the documentistic parent list, so you have to use our as the auxiliary verb. And latis is in he, il. So our conjugation is a. Okay. And when scripte is a past participles, cut er and a acute. And see the same rule after ka, if you have a verb in passé composé, you must see the agreement. So before ka, it is in plural form and it is a feminine. Okay, so we have to add e for feminine and plural is you have to add s at the end. Okay, that you have to remember. So I hope you will revise it and 2 or 3 times watch this video. Thank you.